I cut a piece of fusible web with paper backing large enough to overlay the back half of the top. I apply it on a piece of crepe back satin, which will serve as the first layer of the azure back piece. Since the matte side is supposed to be used as the face here, I apply the fusible web on the sheen side. The top will be cut on the cross as usual, so I align the edge of fusible web with the selvage of the fabric to keep the waistline parallel to this selvage. There is basically no difference whether you cut this particular garment on the cross or on the straight grain. Just do not cut it on the bias. I fuse the web on the fabric starting from the middle of the piece and carefully spreading the fabric in all directions. I trim the fabric down to the size of the pattern. Turn it around and press the face side. It is supposed to be perfectly smooth, with no creases, tucks, or air bubbles. Even minor irregularities will spoil the overall impression of your pyrography work. Do not take the paper backing off your fusible web after duplicating the fabric. If your fusible web has no paper backing, I recommend you should cover it with a sheet of tracing paper before fusing it on. As the result, the tracing paper will adhere to the fabric. Next, I overlay the whole paper pattern with a sheet of tracing paper. I use sticky tape to secure it along the top edge of the sheet. I trim the tracing paper down to the dimensions marked on the pattern sheet and secure it with sticky tape along the full perimeter. The tracing paper is supposed to protect the paper from getting burned. I take my duplicated crepe back satin, put it face up on the tracing paper, and position it in correspondence with the contours of the ornament, which can be seen through. Then I carefully pin the fabric to the pattern without shifting it. Now all layers hold together perfectly, and I can safely move the lei about without worrying about shifting the ornament. I put the lei on the tracing table and turn on the lamp. The ornament shows through very well. I can work on any area of the lei by moving it around or by turning the lamp.